Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to connect your LV25 from Lemfo with WiiWatch 2 app in iOS. As you can see, we already downloaded the app, we are ready to connect it. First we have to go in the menu of the LV25. At the bottom we have the assistant. Here we can see the connect phone option. We click it, it opens up the QR code to connect it. Now let's open up the app and see what we got. As you can see, immediately it opens up the QR code reader or scanner. As soon as you put the scanner, it will read the code. You can see it asking to pair. Press pair, press allow. It's still trying to connect, and let's see, any minute now we should be connected. And as you can see, now the app is open. It means it is connected. In the watch it says connected, the time is synchronized, and we are ready to use this app. You can see right here in the first page we have today, the data, we have the calendar as well. We can change the date to see the data from the last week, for example, and you can compare it with today. In the middle, as you can see, we have steps, we have the goal. Here we have the statistic for steps, week, month statistic. We have steps that we did, highest and real steps. You can see we have heart rate next, day, week and month statistic. We have heart rate reminder. Also we have the heart rate upper limit, highest, lowest and the average heart rate. These are just a few options for heart rate. And the third is weight. Here you can check your weight if it's changed. This is the second page. You saw the device, my device part when we connect. Here we have the step goal, personal information which we can change. Please change your personal information and put your real information here, weight and height, so the data will be more accurate. Next we have auxiliary input. After that we have lookup device, raise screen, silent mode and application reminder. Next we have unit switch, visit the forum, feedback and instructions in the end. So this is the software for the LV25, and now we will see how notification will work in this smartwatch, which is very important. You can see the notification in the phone first, and then in the watch we have here the text and the texter as well. So guys, this is the video for today. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting or helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart box or how to connect it, whatever it's needed to post in this channel.